Winchester, Massachusetts has developed from its colonial village beginnings into a thriving residential community noted for its fine public school system, beautiful homes, and easy access to Boston. The late 1800s saw Winchester emerging as an affluent suburban community as wealthy businessmen from Boston moved out to the countryside and built substantial homes. The town's historic character is still largely reflected in the beautiful houses built just before and after the turn of the century. The village atmosphere, however, remains fueled by the uncommon civic spirit of its residents. Walk to the top-rated Morocco School from this updated home located at 25 Brookside Avenue. With the warm weather fast approaching, you'll appreciate the privacy of the fenced-in yard with the woodland view, rear deck, and large front porch. The driveway provides off-street parking for 6 cars. This home is located within walking distance of parks, schools, and affords easy access to Route 93 and to Boston. The living room, with an entire wall of built-in shelving and adjoining sitting area, both have hardwood floors, and there'll be spots that you'll enjoy sitting in with a good book or enjoying good conversation. Enjoy meals with family and friends in the eat-in kitchen with its gleaming hardwood floors, granite countertops and island, stainless steel appliances, warm glass front cabinetry, and track lighting. A bedroom, which could also be used as an office, and a full tiled bathroom complete this level. Bask in natural sunlight in the 2 upstairs bedrooms, complete with skylights and large closets. Another custom full bathroom with a jetted tub completes the 2nd level. The spacious lower level is perfect as a playroom or exercise room or media room. Added features include an alarm system, a sprinkler system, and central air conditioning. With a beautiful town center with great local shops and restaurants, Winchester embodies all of the wonderful things New England has to offer. If nature's your thing, Winchester offers plenty of hiking, biking, and boating opportunities for kids and adults alike. And of course, easy access to Boston via commuter rail.